Alright everybody, I'm going to try to do a quick review because my phone always just stops recording in the middle of things when I go too long. So I was at Five Below looking for something the other day, but they didn't have it. But I did see this and it's new to me. So it is a ZOE beauty routine. I'm not into little kid dolls, but I do like the accessories and I think they are like Barbie size. So let's see what we got here. So we get the doll, we get the mask, mirror, some beauty accessories, the little gua sha or something like that, some towelettes, a little roller. So let's see what these look like out of the box. And I'm doing this with one hand. So I didn't feel like getting my ring light, so hopefully I can do this without having to get my ring light, without being too annoying. Okay, so we have this little doll. She has a little robe. Not sure if there's anything underneath the robe, but we're going to find out. So if you're sensitive to doll nudity, sorry for that. And I can't untie it with one hand, but she is naked. She has a little headband on, cute little face. This little mask is very cute. And because these doll heads are so big on the little kid dolls, I think this will fit Barbie. But it does fit her face better. She kind of looks like Silence of the Lambs right now, but it's a cute little mask. Then we get some other little makeup accessories, which I plan to use in my Barbie salon. We get, this is what I really thought was really cute. Was the little jade roller. So let's see if I can get that out with one hand. And I'm probably gonna go underneath. There we go. So this is a little jade roller. And her head's probably about the size of a real Barbie head for scale. So I really do like that. We got some other little shampoos or beauty accessories here. Now let's see on the face. Oh man. But yeah, so we get a lotion. We get some kind of little squeeze bottle here with a finger ring. We get a little jar of something, and the lid does, it turns, but I'm not sure if it pops off because I have one hand here, but the lid does turn, so maybe it does come off. I really wanted it for the spa like accessories, like the jade roller here and this little, I don't know how to say it, it's a very odd name for me to pronounce, gua sha or something. And this is a little stone that you rub across your face. Now I don't think a little girl would need this because from what I understand it's only printed on one side. It's for lymphatic and wrinkles and tightening, but Barbie will like it. Because how old is Barbie now? She's gonna need, oh no. Sorry, you had to go with me to the floor there. I don't know if this is a little lip gloss or whatever. Ooh, the lid does come off. And it looks like a little lipstick. I thought this was pretty neat. Not this. This is some kind of little potion or lotion. But I did some kind of little hairspray. The lid does not come off. And then the last little potion. Another lotion bottle here. Lid does not come off. But I did want these little towelettes. If I can get it out with one finger. Really stuck in there. Come on, I only have one hand. There we go. So this I thought was really cute. it would be nice in my little salon. It doesn't open, I don't think, but it's a cute little towelette. And then lastly, there's a little mirror. It does have a reflective piece on it, so that's nice, but it doesn't turn. And that is it. So I bought it mostly for these accessories. They are full Barbie doll size, and there's a little doll that comes with it. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. There's a cute little background in the box if you want to save that and use it. And it does come with a cute little ZOE doll. So let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, definitely, like, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, everybody. Have a good Saturday. Bye-bye.